For sale, baby shoes never worn. This is one of the most famous examples of what we've come to call flash fiction, stories that generally come in at under 500 words. Creative writing, a flash of brilliance, a class in the space creative writing sector, will offer writers the chance to work in this genre, in the company of other writers. We'll write these tiny works together, read them together, and help each other refine them, using our collaborative feedback method. This class offers writers of any experience level something to work on. If you're just beginning, stories of this size feel more attainable than longer works. If you're an experienced writer, flash fiction gives you the chance to refine your techniques of setting and characterization within strict creative limitations. Reading and giving feedback on each other's works helps to build the community of writers here at Signum. In the terms of the genre we're discussing, come, write, read, share the joy.